Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about why would you lie and say you didn't get your food? Doordash driver confronts customer for allegedly reporting them after receiving order. So as we all know, customer fraud has been on the rise across many different gig platforms. This time a driver received a report that the customer didn't receive the order even though they got the order. And one of the things that customers don't take into account is that we still have their addresses. We can still go back when you pull that crap. And this time he confronted her about it. So with that said, I want to go over what is being said in this article, how it actually is for gig workers, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. A DoorDash employee claims a customer attempted to change their order after the food was already delivered, presumably to get a refund. But instead of letting the incident slide, the worker confronted the woman at her home. First off, let's get the facts straight. We are not employees, we are independent contractors. I think we say that enough times. No matter how much Biden wants to turn us into employees, currently we're independent contractors. And some people don't let that incident slide. Some people are very like, hey, this isn't right. You can't be doing that crap. And there have been TikToks that literally confront the customer over and over again. Why I say you gotta build your following online, because if this happens, you have an entire army of incredibly loyal people, by the way. You guys have been incredibly loyal to me. Imagine if you built your following and people were incredibly loyal to you, and they were able to back you up as you are confronting a customer like this. The driver recorded herself going to the customer's house in a video posted to TikTok. Her video has over 100,000 views. The things you do for content, huh? In the roughly 1 minute clip, TikTok user Chrisjanothedon is seen getting out of her car before knocking on the customer's door. It's implied in the video's text overlay that she already dropped the food off at the same location. I'm going to leave her TikTok as well as her profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. She tried to switch her order as soon as I delivered it, the text reads. I made it seem like I had her new order in my dash bag, and it was really my purse. What do you mean she tried to switch her order? That's not something that we can do. Like, we can't just change the order as we're already delivering it. That doesn't even make sense. Oh, you wanted a burger, now you want chicken nuggets. That doesn't even make sense. We can't do that. You're gonna have to take that up with DoorDash. Or you make another order and get what you want. Now, could she have been doing that just to make it seem like she wanted something else so that way she could get a free meal? Yeah, but that's not happening. After the driver knocks, a woman named Yasmin opens the door. Driver then confirms that Yasmin is the one who placed the order before confronting her. Ooh, smart. You're actually making her admit it on camera before you actually let her know that's your purse. Oh, that's so smart. That's a sneaky trick. I like it. I like it. That's good. Why would you lie and say you didn't get your food, the TikToker asks. I didn't do that, Yasmin replies. Now she's just denying everything. We got you on camera, girl. You effed up. Why would you guys report to DoorDash? It's people like you, she starts before Yasmin rolls her eyes and begins shutting the door. Oh, so she knows what she's doing. You could yell at her all day. She knows exactly the kind of scumbag she is. She thinks it's right too, which is disgusting. I haven't done anything, Yasmin attempts to say in response before the TikToker cuts her off. Yes, you did. You guys don't care about nobody's family or nothing. Trash, trash, she says. I mean, I think she's honestly saying everything that us drivers want to say to these people about these people, and honestly, I'm here for it. It's unclear from the video what food Yasmin initially ordered versus what she attempted to change her order to after the fact. But several commenters surmised that she was trying to blame the TikToker for allegedly not getting her food in order to get a refund. That makes so much sense. There was an UberEats guy that was literally talking about the same thing. That was now just attempted on DoorDash, and she probably got a contract violation for that. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I made a video talking all about about that UberEats hack that now they're trying on DoorDash. I'll leave it in the description. Feel free to check it out. Then gun try to close the door. You're caught, one user commented. That is so true. Like, what is closing the door and rolling your eyes gonna do? We know that that's the truth. We know that's what happened. Just because you don't want to actually admit to it doesn't mean that's not what actually happened here. A number of commenters also applauded the TikToker for speaking up. You called her out in the most classy way possible, one commenter wrote. You set the standard and you look damn good doing so. Honestly, I think that the trick that she has to where she brings the bag up, she has the phone up like this, almost like, oh, you have her order on your screen, and then you almost have her admit on camera that she falsely claimed that she didn't get the right order, even though she did get the right order, proves that she has done something illegal, immoral, and unethical, and hopefully she gets deactivated for that. And I'm talking about the customer gets deactivated, not the driver. Seriously, steal that trick. That's legendary. Dangerous, but I feel you, another wrote. That's messed up. I bet a lot of people seeing this won't try to do that now or again. Honestly, they probably will try it again. Here's the thing about all these scams that have been going on for a while. The customer tries something, driver does something to protect themselves because they're smart about it. Then the customer tries to counter their smart thing with another smart thing. And then he tries to do the same thing, and back and forth, and back and forth. And this is kind of the war that us and the scumbag customers of the world have always been kind of fighting in a way. Unfortunately, they're just gonna get smarter and we're just gonna have to keep leveling up. This is my opinion. This is worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. Honestly, I think that this is one of the sneakiest but most effective tricks that a lot of people can apply into their own life in the event that they get a contract violation claiming that the customer never got the order even though they actually got the order. Now, some people aren't going to have the cojones to actually go back up to the customer and try that. But still, I'm glad that DoorDash is really cracking down on customers like this, because honestly, people like this should be held accountable. They're crooked in so many ways, and honestly, they don't even need to be on the platform if they're not even going to try to pay for their food that they're ordering. Like, seriously? I'm not just talking about the tip aspect. Tip aspect's one thing. They're trying to get a full refund for an order they received. Like, what the hell is that? But for every system that there is out there, there's always going to be someone trying to game it. Make sure that you're doing everything in your power to protect yourselves from the fraud that these customers are pushing upon us, because clearly your account is going to be more in jeopardy than theirs is, and they couldn't care less about you. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!